Hey everybody, welcome to my presentation on criminal law. The Fourth Amendment in Kentucky law. The police cannot use private individuals to get around the necessity of obtaining a warrant. If the private individual is acting as an agent of the government, then the Fourth Amendment applies. To make a determination as to whether a private individual is acting or with the participation of government official, the relevant considerations are whether the government had knowledge of and acquiesced in the intrusive conduct, whether the citizen intended to assist law enforcement or instead acted to further his own purposes, and whether the citizen acted at the government's request. The emergency clause in leases apply when the health and safety of tenants or neighbors are at risk. This can include the property itself. The emergency entry clause. The landlord's authority in this case that led to the search of Kreit's apartment had started with a breaker box that had soot residue and wire damage. In addition, the landlord was made aware that Kreit had stopped taking his medication. Now, the police officer's justification for entry was that Kreit posed a risk to himself and others by not taking his medication for schizophrenia. Kreit had knowingly damaged the apartment, causing safety concerns. Robertson reported seeing firearms which Kreit was prohibited from carrying as he was a felon. The Plain View Doctrine. This doctrine applied due to its ability to be seen by the naked eye. This doctrine also applies when an item of illegality is seen by the naked eye. The officers had been able to see the end of a rifle. It is important to note that under this doctrine, the officers had have known that Kreit was prohibited from possessing a firearm, which they did. The conclusion. The court concluded that a limited search was conducted by the police to make sure no one was inside the apartment for safety concerns. The officers were not searching for evidence of a crime. The prohibited item was found by the Plain View Doctrine and was admissible. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day.